Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel, Financeable. Today, in this video, let's learn about how to reset your password on Chase Bank online banking. So let's get started. At first, let's get into any browser and search for Chase Bank. And click on this first website over here. Now enter your username and we need to click on forget username/password over here. Now simply enter your social security number or your tax ID number. Enter your account card number and or the application number here. Once you are done, simply click on next, after which confirmation of our identity will be done. Once it is done, we'll get a code in our email address or phone number to reset the password. Once the step is completed, we can reset our password finally. So that is all we can do to reset our password on Chase Bank online banking. I hope you like the video. Please do like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.